But yo, me tell you this, me no run pitney joke. You see me youth them, me we go 100 all out for them. And me we cross every line and limit for me youth them, not to mention my wife. Avoid me youth them, bro. When you don't speak for me, disrespect me. But love me youth them. Some of them are mothers and fathers too, you know. And none know one that for the youth.
Welcome back my viewers and subscribers to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Now my viewers and subscribers, this is the last video I will be making on this situation, because it's not a good feeling to be talking about a video like this. The only reason why me make this video is because some of my viewers and subscribers ask for a few more information on this situation. So as you all see and maybe hear what's going on, yes, it's in the home that he lives. I won't say anything else. I'll just say it's in the home that he lives these things happen. I'm going to show you a video. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a video where in the court, listen good to what the judge is saying, and then you'll realize what exactly happened. Yes, it will tell you what exactly happened, and then you can have your own judgment, and then you can do your own thinking about the situation, because this situation is no joke. Watch this video.
Cushane Carter, files a charging affidavit that charges you with lascivious behavior, child, and I do find probable cause. I will appoint the office. Well, actually, this indicates that you don't qualify for the office of public defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again?
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year.
That's the calculation I made for this year. For the year we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on finances, I would see them this year.
Alright, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail? Your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
just yes or no?
Oh,
okay.
No, ma'am.
Alright, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
Alright, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, based on his verbal testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000. If he's incarcerated, he's not earning the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of a court-appointed attorney, and I'll appoint the office of the public defender to represent him. Thank you. With respect to the charge, sir, of little lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard. This is, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907-041 5D. We would be motioning for a pre-trial conviction.
I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to set bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in a sum of $7,500 with special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You will maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger.
All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
So my viewers and subscribers, you all see that video. Now you can make your own assumption. And the reason, one of the main reasons why me do this video is some people telling me a whole bunch of things that me no know nothing. And you know, people say a lot of things about the situation when I know that the only way police in the US go come for you and lock you up is when them have evidence. People, viewers and subscribers, American police will sit down and wait upon you for years. American police will married to you just to catch you. American police will go out and have baby for you. They live with you in your house just to catch you. I do what you want to do. I do what you do. Ask anybody how American police work. If they don't want to catch you, them not catch you. If them want to catch you, them go catch you. Them know everything. So each and everybody where you see I do them wrongs and I do them thing, it's just that they don't want to catch you right now. Them know, them understand, them have everything I watch you. So them now go just lock you up just so. And furthermore, there's a police report. I won't post that police report. No. The police report stated that CMR told the police, viewers and subscribers, I will not. Me not go that far. You all have a need to go find a police report. Yes, find the police report and you all will realize what exactly happened. It's not the first time. It's not the first time he did it. He did it more than one time. The girl, I cannot. I will not. I go leave it right there. I go just leave it right to spot there. Because I have young kids. Yeah. I have 2 young girls that is not living with me. So, my viewers and subscribers, me go leave it right there. The speculation should be over by now. Yes, he did it in his house. Watch the video, and when you watch the video, you can hear when he asks the lady if he can go to his home with police to get his stuff, and the judge grant him that favor. So if it wasn't his home, why the police would say you can't go back to your house? Viewers and subscribers, have a good day. Blessings. Pray for that young girl, and pray for all the young girls, all the young kids who have been through this situation, and pray for all who out there. And me hope and pray so nothing like this not happen to nobody else, no young girls. Hey, viewers and subscribers, this one is a serious one. Cause me have a little girl when I live with me. So, viewers and subscribers, I'm out. Stay strong. Keep on prayer. All the prayer warriors, pray for that young girl. Pray for everybody. Peace and love. Manners.